हेलो स्टूडेंट्स गुड मॉर्निंग समस्त को मो तरफ आज पणा संक्रांति आड़िया नववर्षर अनेक अनेक शुभकामना शुभेच्छा। ओके आज आम एक्चुअली ओडिशार हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आज जे जान जान आज हूँ पणा संक्रांति आज हूँ ओडिशा नववर्ष तेणु समस्त को ओडिशा नववर्षर अनेक अनेक शुभकामना ए वर्ष समस्त भले कटू। ओके now let's come to the business. Last time मु डिस्कस करथि तुमको डिटरमिनेंट्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स कहिथिली आउ ता संगरे माइनर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स भी कहथिली। ओके इफ आई रिमेंबर आई वाज टॉकिंग ऑफ द माइनर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स इज नॉट इट। सो आज हमें से माइनर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स को कंप्लीट करिया। हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट the minors of different matrix? Last time I told you, if you remember, last time I was talking of minors of matrix in a small square matrix. Okay, 2 into 2 square matrix. I took the example, let me say B 3 4 5 6 is a matrix. Okay, now here we have 4 elements, that is these 3. This is A11, 4 A12, 5 A21, 6 is A22. Is not it? So we have to find out the minors of this matrix. Now means every element's minor you have to find out here. So M, this is 1 1. So M11 is equal to, here M11 is 3. So, but here M11 minor of first row first column is here 6. If I say M12, this is 4, M12 is 4, but minor of 12 is 5. Now if I say M21 means this, so 5's minor is 4. If I say M22, then 6th minor is 3. So this is very simple. We can know that from in a 2 into 2 matrix, the minors can be easily calculated because here the minors are just the opposites in the diagonal. Now if we talk of a 3 into 3 matrix, a matrix of the third order, then how can you find out the minors? Now here I have taken an example of matrix A, which is a 3 into 3 matrix. This is a matrix of third order. So here we have 9 elements. So you can find out 9 minors of this matrix. Okay, we have all 9 elements. So we have to find out the all 9 minors of this matrix. How can you do this? The process is as the same as we are finding out under determinant. डिटरमिनेंट काढ़ियाला बेले जमती प्रोसेस आम यूज करथिले एथिरे मध्य पाखापाखि सेम प्रोसेस केवल गोटाए डिफरेंस अछि दैट यू कैन नोटिस हियर। देखो ए जगह रे मु कोन करिवि, रिमेंबर द पोजीशंस। दिस इज A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Always remember the position. That is position of the element in the matrix. And according to the position, we can find out the minors. Let us say first we come to A11. Okay. So A11 is equal to M11 is equal to, this is M11. The position is A11. So we have to find out the minor of M11 means first row first column. Then a first row first column जो एलिमेंट अछि 1 सेटा जो कॉलम रे और जो रो रे अछि ताको छाडी दियो। छाडला परे जो गोटे छोटो सब मैट्रिक्स तुम पाइबो से सब मैट्रिक्स टाको नै आसो पाखो केते पाइलो ना 5 6 8 9। ओके आमे केते पाइले 5 6 8 9 कहना आमे एई कॉलम को ए रो को छाड़ देले बर्तन आर डिटरमिनेंट काढो ओके 9 into 5 45 minus 48 is equal to minus 3 so minus 3 is the minor of first row first column M11 similarly if I say A12 is equal to M12 is equal to this number 2 now A column टा आउ A row को छाड़ो केते पड़ला तमरो 4 6 7 9 is equal to 9 14 36 minus 742 is equal to minus 6 so therefore M12 the minor of 1 2 is equal to minus 6 similarly coming to M A13 or M13 is equal to you can take this leave this column this row kete badila 4 5 7 8 is equal to 7 4 ja 28 minus 35 is equal to this comes to how much minus 7 is not it similarly you can find out A21 is equal to M12 sorry M21 is equal to M21 is this तो ए कॉलम और ए रो को छाड़ो केते रहला ना 2 3 8 9 इज इक्वल टू 9 दूने 18 minus 8 3 24 is equal to minus 6 now A22 is equal to M22 is equal to how much is this ए कॉलम को छाड़ो ए रो को छाड़ो ताला रहला 1 3 7 9 is equal to 9 minus 21 is equal to minus 12 similarly A23 is equal to M23 is equal to this is the number so leave this column leave this row kete badla ho now 1 2 7 8 is equal to 8 minus 14 is equal to minus 6 next is A31 is equal to M31 is equal to 31 is this तेणु ए कॉलम रो को छाड़िबो ए कॉलम को छाड़िबो केते आप पाइबो बडला सब मैट्रिक्स 2 3 5 6 is equal to 6 दुने 12 minus 5 3 15 is equal to minus 3 similarly A32 is equal to M32 is equal to देखो 32 हो जाएगा ए कॉलम को छाड़ो ए रो को छाड़ो ए कॉलम गला ए रो गला केते रहला ना 1 3 4 6 is equal to 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 6 last ray A33 is equal to M33 is equal to this number ए कॉलम को छाड़ो ए रो को छाड़ो केते रहला 1 2 4 5 is equal to 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3 okay so this is how you can find out the minors different minors of a 3 into 3 matrix or a third order matrix right now this is the same process ame डिटरमिनेंट काला बेले कोन करथुले आमे ए फर्स्ट रो को नथुले गोटे फर्स्ट रो रो फर्स्ट कॉलम रो जो संख्या थिला ताकू मल्टीप्लाई करथुले आधरे इज नॉट इट एथे किंतु मल्टीप्लाई करियार नै काइना एथे हमकु सब नंबर सब एलिमेंट रो हमरो माइनर्स काढियार अछि ए 3 into 3 मैट्रिक्स रे हमरो 9 टा एलिमेंट अछि सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 9 minors and this will be done in this way जदि 2 into 2 मैट्रिक्स हे थांता ताले हमर एटी किछ करियार नथिला सिंपली 3 रो माइनर होची 6 4 रो माइनर होची 5 5 रो माइनर होची 4 6 रो माइनर होची 3 but here we have to see that the minors we have to find out, because this is a larger matrix, third order matrix. So here we have different sub matrix. We have different 2 into 2 matrix, sub matrix. Here we find it. So taking this sub matrix, we can find out the minors of this matrix. Okay? Is it clear? If you don't understand, please practice in your house and you see that it becomes clear. Now after minor, we come to the cofactors. Cofactors of matrix. Okay? Now, okay, let me tell you that when I talk of cofactors, minors are not cofactors. Now, if I say A11, M11, so you see the position of this element 1. This is first row and first column. So here, how can we find out the cofactors? Cofactors you can find out with, let me tell you, let me see your book. We can find out Cij, okay, Cij is equal to minus 1 I plus j into minor of ij. So what does this mean? Cij, here I is row, j is column. Okay, Cij means cofactor of the first row, first column is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j. I means row, j is column, multiplied by minor row and column. So let's talk of the first one, A11. Okay, let's talk of the first one, or let's talk of the A13. It is found here. Okay, let's talk of this A13. This is minus 7 we have found out, right? So how can you find out the cofactor? So cofactor of, you can write cofactor of ij. Ij means 1, 3. Ij means 1, 3. Means first row, third column is equal to minus 1 I plus j. You see, I means row, j means column. So I is 1, j is 3. So 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 into minor of ij. Here minor is minus 7. Now it will be minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, 4. Means minus 1 to the power 4 into minus 7. How much it will be? Remember, if the power is positive, then it becomes plus. If the power is negative, it becomes minus. Okay, so now here the power is plus, because row plus column 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So here minus 7 into plus, that becomes minus 7 is minus 7. Now if you don't want to understand this, I can explain it in a very simple way. You see, this is the minors of different elements. Now here you see what is the minors position. M11. 11 means first row, first column. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Means you have to multiply positive here, not negative, or you have to multiply positive here. So the minor or the cofactor here C11 will also be minus 3. But if I say C12, this is 1, 2, you see the answer is minus 6. into the position is first row second column, that is 3. 3 means minus. Is minus 1 is equal to, it will be plus 6. Then 1 3 C 1 2 gala C 1 3 C 1 3, this is 1 3 is minus 7. So minus 7 means the position is first row third column, means 4. So it is positive. So you have to multiply plus 1 equal to minus 7. Now if I say 2 1 C 2 1, C 2 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 into again minus 1. Because here it is minus 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 means minus. So therefore it becomes 6. Now if I say C 2 2, this will be minus 12 into plus 1 is equal to minus 12. C 2 3, if I say C 2 3 minus 6, minus 6 into 2 and 3 means negative. 5 means negative into minus 1 is equal to only 6. C 3 1 is minus 3. 3 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So into plus 1 is equal to minus 3. C 3 2. 3 2 is minus 6 into, you see 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 means minus 1 is equal to 6. C 3 3. C 3 3 is minus 3, and if you multiply it, 3 plus 3 is 6 into plus 1, it becomes minus 3. It becomes minus 3. So here, after you find out the minors, then you find out the cofactors. Because whatever you have found out in the minors, then this sign is not final. This sign means minus 3, minus 6, minus 7, minus 6. This is not final. Because when you find out the cofactors, these signs will change. In case the position is positive position, then you have to, it remains like this, same. But if it is a negative position, M1, 2, 1 and 2 means 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 means minus. So you have to multiply minus 1 here. That means it becomes 6. Okay, then you find out the cofactors. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If it's not clear, please comment me so that I can take a new class on this again. I will explain it to you, no doubt, no problem, because there is a shortage of time. We cannot have much more long videos. So therefore, I am just trying to tell you as best as possible. If it is not possible in today's video, we can discuss in next time's video. But how can you find out the cofactors? Please let me know if you understand it or not. If you understand it, it's well and good. If you don't understand, we can repeat the same thing again in the next video. Okay? Thank you very much. See all videos and tell your friends also to see, because only few of you are seeing the videos, and if you don't see, it's a loss to you. I tell you, there is nothing loss to me. Please watch the videos and give me comments. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for watching.